Welcome back, out on a mission. Tonight's objective, to camp on a beach below a beautiful waterfall. So yeah, really looking forward to this. Should be a good one. Anyway, let's do it. It's like boxed in where there used to be an old waterfall. Just absolutely divine. Yeah, I think I might go for a dip because it's pretty damn warm after walking down that ridge. So yeah, we made it to the first beach, but we're gonna keep going because there's another really nice beach just another couple hundred meters downstream. So yeah, this one's nice, but the other one has a better view of the waterfall camp. So yeah, it should be awesome down there. See, we made it to camp. It's a pretty divine campsite, to be honest. It's probably going to be in the top 5 of best campsites I've ever been to. So, yeah, just bloody beautiful. Yeah, it's really hot in the sun, so I'm going to have to get some sunscreen on before I burn. And then we'll probably get out there in the mattress and have a bit of a float. Should be nice. So yeah, how good is this campsite? Beautiful beach, lovely river, an amazing waterfall. Definite cracker. How stunning is the reflection at the bottom of the waterfall there. That's an optical illusion at its finest. Yeah, awesome spot here. Just love it. beach, campfire, relaxation.
Morning, rise and shine. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful day.
Been walking for about an hour this morning. Might be time for a swim. But yeah, I got about 3 kilometers upstream to go before we hit a ridge that should take us directly back to our car. So yeah, beautiful little spot here in the sun. So yeah, this creek is pretty special. Just waterfall after waterfall. Just stumbled across this beauty. Spectacular.
With summer approaching, it was a real blessing to be able to hike up this freshwater creek and bathe in its many pools.
Yeah, it's been a bloody good day. We've made it as far as we're going to go on the creek. And now we're going to start heading up this ridge. But it looks like garbage. So scrubby.
As always, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this one. Cheers.